Hello everyone, and welcome to Kevin's Seventh Heaven. Today we are going to read Paper Boats by Rabindranath Tagore. Day by day, I float my paper boats one by one down the running stream. In big black letters, I write my name on them, and the name of the village where I live. I hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know who I am. I load my little boats with shiuli flowers from our garden, and hope that these blooms of the dawn will be carried safely to land in the night. I launch my paper boats and look up into the sky and see the little clouds setting their white bulging sails. I know not what playmate of mine in the sky sends them down the air to race with my boats. When night comes, I bury my face in my arms and dream that my paper boats float on and on under the midnight stars. The fairies of sleep are sailing in them, and the lading is their baskets full of dreams. Thank you for listening to me read poetry. Please like, comment on, and share this video. Also, please subscribe to Kevin's Seventh Heaven on YouTube and make sure that notification bell is set to all. It would really help me out and would make sure that you know when the next video is coming out. Anyway, ta-ta for now. Love you all.